Don't do drugs, kids. Buy tools.
Good idea. Good. All right, so here Justin and I just unboxed what came in. We had some wrenches, some lights, plier rack, a digital torque wrench, some stubby wrenches, some jumper packs, nice 1/2-inch pneumatic impacts came in, so that was pretty cool. Creeper and an electric Dewalt pressure washer. Pretty cool. All right, here's the truck. Gonna give it a nice wash down, get it all nice and clean. There it is. Check it out. Got some precision torques here. And then here are the nice knuckle savers made in the USA. Very nice. Look at them. Today I'm doing the ride along. Just kind of seeing what it's like, you know, documenting everything. But yeah, pretty cool. Be able to check out all these tools with time, because, you know, I am working when the tool truck shows up, so I am limited on time. But here it is. Quite a bit of stuff. We got some flashlights. Pretty cool. Nice little neck light there. I know this here is part of the promo right now on the flyer. I think I'm definitely gonna pick up one of those for sure. Look at all these screwdrivers. Quite a bit of them. Quite a bit of stuff. Pretty cool. Just kind of giving y'all a tour of everything. Here are those nice plier sets. Pretty cool. We got some more pliers, some Rbrt hex keys with the T-handles. Pretty cool. These are pretty cool. My buddy Hunter has one of those. Very convenient when just need to do a bunch of Zerk fittings. Sure beats pumping it by hand. Here's all the Milwaukee stuff over here. Pretty cool. We got some screwdrivers. We got this Rbrt, or always a mix up, I can't say it. It's Rbrt. Yeah, there we go. Kit. How's it going? Hey. Look at that. That red just pops. Whew. Pneumatic ratchet. This thing is sweet. I really like the red. Look at that. It just pops. Pretty nice. And then here's all the anti-vibe hammers. Pretty cool. Sorry guys, the lights are a little bright, so it does glare the camera a little bit. Check it out, quite a bit of stuff. Pretty neat. Don't we all just love the tools, just looking at them in awe. It's right above you on the truck. You know, Cesar has those screwdrivers, they're pretty nice. Dion got the flathead that was there, so that was pretty cool. Look at all that green.
Okay, I'll wait.
And then there are the boxes, and obviously the ones that are sold are marked with the word sold around them. Those up there are also sold. And these will be coming soon. One day I'll be able to purchase a box like that. That would be very nice. All right, guys, we got Christian. We stopped by at a stop here, and here's his nice toolbox. And if you guys pay attention on the channel, I do a lot of RC stuff now, and Christian has quite the collection. Do you want to show and see what you got?
Well, I started actually with, I believe it's this one, the 100 edition.
Oh, okay.
And I got it actually off a friend. He needed money. So,
oh, really?
So I got that.
Nice.
And I'm like, if you want it back, take it. Then he actually had this one too laying. He said, he's like, you want this one too? I actually have the stock tires too for it, but I've actually used it.
Nice.
I got a good deal on that.
That's
this
pretty cool.
I went on a raffle.
Really?
Yes. And then this is my very, this is the last one I just got actually. Probably like 2 months ago or so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was.
And
I really like this one. This is
did you win it, or was it?
I actually won this.
Oh, nice. Because I knew there was one on Facebook someone was selling.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I tried getting it, but.
Oh really?
Yeah, it didn't work out.
Yeah, no, that's super cool. So what is this platform? Because I know it's just a snap-on body, but is this like a...
It's Traxxas. I believe it's...
But it's like the road car? Or...
Yes. It's
okay. But whoa, I didn't know it has... The body has interior in it.
It does, and I like the new design with the clips.
Oh, it's a clipless design.
Yeah, so you just push this.
Yes.
It comes on and off. I like the design. It's really nice inside.
Nice. No, that's a cool car. Is that one just a shelf queen? Just keep it clean up here?
I actually drove it here on the ground a little bit. But that's about it. I don't
want to scratch up the nice body. Yeah. No, I understand. Super cool stuff here. Awesome. All right. Here's pretty sweet. I have this one. Works great. Nice little tool. You know, compact. Help you in a situation. Get you out of it. Or it can help you get out of a sticky situation. So yeah, pretty neat. I really like it. Cesar got his nice blowgun and knife. Really nice. You got me wanting one of these, man.
Yeah?
They are sick.
This one is freaking badass, dude. All black.
Yeah, pretty
cool, man. I like this, man. This is great.
It is. It is. Okay, we got a bag of jerky. Oh yeah. Really need a magnet. I think I'm gonna get one. So let's see. One thing that's pretty cool is all these different picks. It's pretty nice. Check it out over here. I'm buying. What about you?
I'm paying.
You're paying.
Yes.
See, I'm paying $2.
Oh, think I can get a shirt for my brother?
Yeah, what size? Small one? I think I have mediums. That's not, I don't have any smalls at all. Oh, you know what? I have medium hoodies. Wait, do I even have those? Right, you want to get your brother something.
Ooh, a UV light. Pretty cool. Looks great. Snap-on hoodie on the Mack truck.
I'll trade you a hoodie.
You wanted a snap-on hoodie, huh? Oh, he wants a snap-on hoodie.
So I ordered the magnetic rails to put the ratchets and stuff here.
Oh, yeah.
And then I'm going to put a scanner right here. So this is where the TV is. I'm going to put a scanner there. The scanner right here so you can play with it.
Yeah.
You know, put it in demo mode.
That'll be pretty neat. Pretty cool. 170 PSI?
Yeah. So I can air big trucks.
Oh, that's pretty sick. If I buy one, maybe I should get that one instead of the little digital one. I think that one there will be more versatile.
I like this analog better.
Yeah, more accurate.
Yeah, I love the analog.
Ooh, the candy. Yum.
My mouth's already getting watery.
Do you want to have anything to say to the viewers?
Don't do drugs, kids. Buy tools.
Good idea. Good, fair. Good advice right there, everyone.
Yeah, there's going to be a grease fitting.
Man, that thing is pretty sweet.
Just
Off
take
the flyer.
This one right here. Flip of a coin.
Flip of a coin? Okay. Flip the coin. Or should we have Cesar flip the coin this time since I flipped the coin on him last time?
Oh, okay. I'll flip a coin for you.
Okay, he'll flip the coin. Oh, you'll see soon.
Okay.
Or you call it. So if I buy it today, if you pick a side and whatever it lands, like I did it yesterday.
All right, guys.
Or the other
today
day.
I'm doing the coin toss. We got what's
I'm gonna the bearing thing on the
all right.
It's a good deal.
yeah, on the flyer.
So let's see. Heads is a purchase. Tails, no purchase.
For now, at least.
Oh,
Tails! Oh no!
Wait, redo. Oh my god!
Wait! What? There's no redo.
Oh, hey!
Well, Alrighty, got me free magnet, and I'll get the punch set today.
Yeah, let's get the punch set for you.
Or
Steel puller.
dang, that was stapled on pretty good.
The hammer that's on the floor right there. The bearing race kit. And the long drip punch set.
These right here?
Yep.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
All that for $209.
Nice.
And a free magnet.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, check it out.